First things first, I appreciate your support. I am back. So I have several machines here, actually 4. We have a Samsung. This is an Eco Bubble. Then we have Ramtom's R144. And then we have a Von Hotpoint. This is a 9kg VALW09. Then we have an old model LG 7 kilos. So we're going to do a test. Let's see how this 4 machine behave when the door is open. Like we want to engage a door error. So we'll power them on, and then we see the error codes these machines will give us. So this is a Von. We have a Samsung. We open the door. We have a Ramtom's R144. And then we open this one here, the LG. So we switch them on. Then we see the error codes that these machines will give. So it's an experiment. Let's see how long it takes for the machine to detect that the door is open or the door switch is faulty and the type of error. So we'll start with the Samsung, power it on. Let's say we select a spin program. We've pressed our start button. And then we come to our 144 Ramtoms. Power it on. I need to put it on spin only. Put it on spin. Come on, this one here. This is a Von Hotpoint. We also put this on spin. This is an LG. Power it on. We put it on spin. Leave the door open. So let's see the error code that will appear on these 4 machines. Remember, this one doesn't have a display board that shows error code and time. So this is an old model. So let's see how this behaves when the door is not locked. There we go. So on this LG, when the door is not locked or when this switch is faulty, you see temperature. All lights are blinking on temperature. And then also the medic and pre-wash, intensive and grease care, they are all blinking, meaning the door is locked. It's unlocked. I mean, this one is not working. So if you experience a door lock error, before you rush to replace this, check this. This could be faulty. So let's lock that one. Power it off. Power it on. Put it on spin. We'll be back on that. No error code yet. No error code yet. Machine is on spin. No error code yet. So let's wait and see. This is a Samsung, no error code yet. But on a Samsung, I'm expecting a DC error code. This I'm expecting an E05. Strange enough, this one is giving us an OC error code. But the reason it's giving an OC error code, there's no motor on this machine. Normally, with the Samsung washer, what happens is this: if the door is not locked, it will give you a DE error code or a DC error code. But now this one is giving us an OC error code. Though the motor is not on this machine, I've removed the motor from this machine here, so that could be the reason as well. We're waiting to see what error code RAM toms will give us for an open door. One. Our washing machine is not to use an extension, so that's an overload. So we're going to try these two, this and the Samsung one. So let me put this on spin. Let me put this on spin as well. No, I can do even a quick wash. Let's see. Unplug the Samsung. Let's go step by step. So we start with this one. When you close it, the pump is running. The door is open. So let's see the error code that this one will give when the door is open. Okay, the RAM toms.